Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those of you who are new, my name is Arianna, and for those of you who aren't, welcome back. It's really nice to have you all. I really appreciate seeing your comments. So if you could and you like this video, give it a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed. That way you don't miss my next video. So today we have a shoe for me. If you saw in my last video, yes, I am wearing the same outfit because we just filmed my mom's unboxing. I actually bought her a pair of very cool shoes off of the sneakers app. So make sure that you check that out. I'm gonna put it in the iCards above. So this one's from me. This is from before I got her pair of shoes, but it took a very long time to get these for some reason. I took the L on the Ash Pearls, but these were fine. I really like the Jordan 3 and Jordan 4 silhouette. I always have. I think it is very flattering on women and on men, but especially on women. I really like it, and I've never had a pair of Jordan 3s. I almost bought a pair of I think it was the Mushroom Jordan 4s, and I am still kicking myself for not picking those up. They were actually on sale. They were sitting on shelves when I wanted to buy them, and I didn't get them.
That is a huge L.
I just love the silhouette. So I have a pair of 4s coming soon, but these are the Jordan 3s. Very excited to get these, and I had an idea of a lace swap I wanted to do, and I'll show you guys later in the video about that. But without talking anymore, let's get into the unboxing. Everyone kind of wasn't too hype about them, but I like the color. I think that it's really cool, and I know Georgetown's been winning a lot, so actually they ended up going for a lot more than I expected. Usually I wouldn't think that these do too well, but because Georgetown's been winning, and
well, this is not technically the Georgetown color, it is, well, not technically the Georgetown collaborated shoe, it is the color, so
that's why it did so well. We got our Jumpman box. I did get the grade school size, so I know that the men's size, I think it was a navy box with the elephant print. Mine for the grade school is just the black. I always like to show you the tag so you can see. I'm waiting for these to I always open it, now I open it with such hesitation, because every time you've been watching my videos since the beginning, it seems like I constantly get a damaged shoe. Why, I don't know, it's just my luck. But beautiful. The leather is very nice, very soft, and I really like the color. I think there's a lot of potential with this shoe. I think that it can match with a lot. It's a very neutral shoe, and I have such a good idea for the lace swap on this shoe. I really love the elephant print on the toe box and on the heel panel. I love that you have the gray, and oh, it's like microfiber on the inside. Oh, just love it. And I love this navy leather. It's so supple, really nice. I also love that you have gray, navy, and white all on the bottom of the shoe. You have Jordan in navy as well. So for this shoe, I saw it and no one was really, I guess, that excited for it. I think people were excited for it, but there wasn't too much hype behind this shoe. But I saw it and I really got excited because I feel like if you lace this with lavender laces, that would be so interesting, like such an interesting pop on this shoe. So that is something I'm gonna try. I really don't know. Oh, here, I have some here. So these laces I got from these laces won't fit on this, by the way. These laces are for Jordan 1s. So these laces I bought from the Rope Lace Supply, and I'm definitely not sponsored, but I bought these myself, and I found out after the fact that it is a UCF graduate student, which Go Knights is my school, so I love to support them. And they shipped super fast. They were really nice, and they have good prices on their laces, and I really like their little packaging. So I'm gonna link them down below because gotta support my fellow Knights. Yeah, I'm gonna try and lace these with this, but you can see, let me take them out of the little package so you guys can see better. I'm still adapting to the nails.
Oh yeah.
That looks so cool. I really like that color combination. Navy and lavender.
That's a match made in heaven.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the up close and the on foot. I'm going to do both with the white laces and with the lavender laces so that you guys can see both options and give you guys a better feel of the shoe. But I have to say I really like these. And let's get into the on foot and up close.
Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter what, add it up, told her if it's all me, everything is on me, gon' back it up, matter what, told you I'ma do me, why you hating on me, it's not adding up. Do roll like a Mack truck, country heart, I might cop a farm and go act up. Lot of scars, I was cold hearted, now I'm backed up. Keep it real, I do this once a month, I don't rap much. I just take the money and go stack up. Only buying car till you tatted up. All that other bull, it don't matter much. You only climb me, I put the ladders up. No fault, I done doubled up on the workload. I think I fell in love with the bankroll. Pray up, get money, then we lay low. Add it up, bankroll, euro, peso, add it up, I'm just doing me, everything is on me, oh you matter.
So let me know what you guys think. Did you guys pick this pair up? What do you think of these? Do you still like the Jordan 3? Is that something that is still piquing your interest? Do you own a pair? Let me know. I love to hear from you guys down in the comments down below. And what do you think about that lace swap? I want to know, because sometimes I think of these things and I'm like, that makes so much sense. Like the Syracuse and the pink laces, and then looking at it after, I'm like,
Maybe not.
I think hot pink laces would look the best, but you know, thinking it and looking at it after, I realized that maybe I wasn't thinking straight. But this I really think will look good. So let me know what you guys think down below. I love to hear your thoughts. All right, well that is it for today's video, guys. It's been so nice to have you here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that thumbs up if you like this video, if it helped you at all and you like this kind of content. Make sure that you're subscribed and you hit that notification bell. That way you don't miss my next video. Again, thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have a great day, weekend, anything, and I can't wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.